Hello Driving Intelligence community. I'm excited to announce the creation of a new playlist on my channel. It's going to be product reviews. Some of these products I'm buying myself with my own hard-earned money, but some of these products are being sent to me by manufacturers and distributors for testing on my channel. The first of these companies is TAGVIT. They sent me a torque wrench, 6 to 46 foot-pounds, 3/8 drive. It's a nice piece, and the thing I got to point out is that I'm not a testing house, I'm a user. So I wanted to put together a video that does an accurate review of this from a user's perspective. Now the way I'm going to do that is compare it to one of my torque wrenches. I have 3 that I've purchased in the past. I have one that goes up to 150 foot-pounds, 1/2-inch drive. Doesn't make sense. I also have one I bought after that, which is in inch-pounds, because I wanted something that for the lower torque settings that is much more accurate. But again, since it's in inch-pounds, it doesn't make sense to compare it to the TAGVIT. The last one I bought, which is much closer to the TAGVIT, is a CAPRI. This one goes from 10 to 80 foot-pounds. It's got a 3/8-inch drive, so that makes sense. Even though they're not both up to 80 or 46 foot-pounds, they're close enough for me to test. I've come up with a list of important elements in testing a torque wrench from a user perspective, and those are price, accuracy, ergonomics, and use. And at the end, I'll test these 2 torque wrenches against each other on the lug nuts on my truck. The first thing I see as a positive is that TAGVIT sent me their product from Amazon, directly from Amazon, so this didn't come from their shop or their offices to make sure that the product was in good shape. It comes in a nice box. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Now I'll start a detailed comparison based on the features that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. When I bought the CAPRI, which is no longer available, it was $38.99. It came with a case, instructions, and a certificate of accuracy. The TAGVIT is now at $55.98. It also comes with a case, instructions, and certificate of accuracy, but also comes with a universal joint, a long extension, and 2 magnetic spark plug sockets. Based on features and availability, the check mark goes to TAGVIT. Moving on to accuracy, the CAPRI has a 10 to 80 foot-pound rating, is accurate to plus or minus 4% based on a standard DIN ISO 6789. The TAGVIT, 6 to 46 foot-pounds rating with an accuracy rated at plus or minus 3%, also against DIN ISO 6789, but has an additional standard of ASME 8107.14M. Given the additional certification, I'm going to give this check mark to TAGVIT once again. Ergonomics. The CAPRI is well made, has a knurled handle, it's very solid, it's lasted many years in my toolbox, and has laser etched numbers. The TAGVIT also appears to be well made, but it has a much bigger handle and it's longer for the lower torque rating. I like the bigger handle because it's easier on my big hands, and it also has larger etched numbers, which gives the check mark again to TAGVIT. In the use category, we'll start with adjustment. The CAPRI has a knob at the end that's used for locking in the torque setting. The TAGVIT has a locking ring that you pull and that allows you to twist the handle. And for ease of use, we'll go with the TAGVIT once again. Taking a closer look at adjustment, the numbers on the CAPRI are 5 foot-pound increments from 10 to 80 foot-pounds. Each rotation of the handle is 10 foot-pounds. When you divide that by 20 units, you get a 1/2 foot-pound per unit. The TAGVIT, on the other hand, is not as intuitive. From 6 to 46 foot-pounds, you add 4 foot-pounds per unit. Each rotation of the handle is 4 foot-pounds, and when you divide that by 10, you get 0.4 foot-pounds per unit, which requires some mental calculation when you're using the torque wrench. I added the accuracy during use category because while I use my CAPRI, I can accidentally unlock the locking knob, which resets the torque setting. With the TAGVIT and the locking ring, you do not have that problem, so this category goes to TAGVIT. I've loosened up one of my lug nuts and I'm going to use both the CAPRI and the TAGVIT to tighten it up. 4.8 foot-pounds. Let's see what we get to. All right, let's use the CAPRI and see what that comes up with. It's about the same. They both have a fairly decent feel when they hit their torque rating. So let's go in reverse. Let's test the CAPRI first and then the TAGVIT and see if if the TAGVIT goes deeper into the torque. Let's see if the TAGVIT goes any further. So they're almost identical. I don't see any difference between the two of them. In closing, from an empirical perspective, based on the list of qualifications that I look for in a tool, the TAGVIT takes the win. But both tools are good, and it all depends on what you're looking for in your use. For me, I've got a big hand. I like the TAGVIT, but it's only good up to 46 foot-pounds. If you've got a smaller hand and you want higher torque ratings, then you want to go with the CAPRI or a tool like CAPRI, since the CAPRI that I'm using is no longer available. It's got the smaller handle, goes up to 80 foot-pounds, but they're both good. In terms of long-term quality, I didn't do that test. This is only out-of-the-box testing, so you'll have to make a decision on whether or not you want that based on the qualifications I've identified in this video. Now in the future, I hope to have more product reviews as companies are coming to me asking me to review their products, so look for my playlist on product reviews, and of course, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please hit that notification bar. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.